guys. No.
Hi guys. As you can see, we did a lot of outside stuff. You see that random thing, that's Colin's thing. I don't know what the hell they made back there, but offline, we got lost and we lost everything.
Robert, you know this is good.
And yeah, we also fell in the glass. You can see today, I don't know what we do. Let's just continue first person and just look at this. Ah la 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 ah! Colin, you have to speak loudly because my
so much.
There you go. It's really hard to speak. It's really hard to speak to you guys slowly because then you guys can hear me.
Oh yes.
And I sound like a 6-year-old, but I am not a 6-year-old, okay?
Why am I smelling that?
Okay guys, so when you guys think I'm a 6-year-old, I'm not a 6-year-old. I'm not a 6-year-old. Or I'm not a 7-year-old, okay? We are not those baby ages. If you're like, we're not like a 6-year-old. I'm not enough. We're not really that big, okay? But I ain't tiny. Okay? We ain't tiny, okay?
No, bad boy.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you know what I just did? I just laminated this whole spot.
What whole spot?
Right here. Like, oh, I found so much clay, bruh.
What?
I have no idea. Some of my hunger bars are big, but guys, if the hunger bar is big, we did make a food chest.
Well, if you guys see the position thing, that's just because
only you guys knew that I got a golden shovel.
No, it was because both of us got lost and then we needed to find our coordinates to get together.
But we didn't get together at all. Yeah, the coordinates were lying to us. What was that?
A drown.
You just punched me! Ow! I was saying shh to my fans and
Ow!
Ow! I dropped it. I didn't.
You dropped your axe?
Yeah. Give it back.
You got it.
People?
I killed them.
Oh, I got 2 level XP.
Wait, why you? You stole my XP.
I don't really care about XP if it's enchanting and absolutely. Ah! Hi, Colin.
You're acting like a shark.
Colin, there's 2 drowns down here. Come to the secret underwater cave.
Oh no! There's 2 drowns here too. And I'm one there.
I died. Don't collect my stuff.
Oh no.
Okay, guys, that was just an on-purpose die.
Oh my gosh, I glitched the game. Look at my screen.
There's
your viewers.
Viewers, please help me. Go over there. Go. I don't want to see you ever again in my life.
Yeah.
Ah, there's a drown in the water with a piece of shell.
I like how much shell. If you guys could see, I got
Holding you broke Minecraft.
Last one, Robert lost his iron chest.
Colin! Where?
We did find gold.
And Colin, I found gold.
And we also...
Colin, I found gold in the video. You dumb.
Yeah.
People saw that.
I'm totally dumb.
Ah!
What happened last?
Yeah, they have to watch you. You don't tell them. They have to watch you. And then
I'm just showing them.
let's get away! No, it died again.
And then feature.
Anyway, guys, let me show you the chests of chests. If you guys didn't know, we're gonna do some cheeky stuff in a sense. So keep on watching until you see the end. It's 500 days ago.
Okay, let's play Gold. I got that glass. Let's go, Gold.
You're terrible. I'm scared.
What?
Colin, you have a gold sword in you?
I lost it.
Bruh.
What? What do you
Bruh!
Why did you do so difficult now?
I need a sword right now. I got
Robert,
my best sword.
No, Robert, you have 2 gold gold sword.
I know, but I'm not making a gold sword because you're just gonna lose it because you're gonna want to hit me with it. If you guys didn't know, Colden has people swords. I'm going back to my underwater cave. Isn't it? I'm a quick little Creeper, stand back! It's gonna blow up! You blew up in the water now. We're blowing somewhere else.
Robert thought you sleep.
Wait, no. I'm going to get my stuff before I reach
Go
mine.
sleeping in a bed. To skip to dawn, all
There.
players need to
You're
sleep
dead.
in beds
Huh?
at the same time.
Get out! Can't even see anything.
What am I doing?
Well, I'm coming! If you guys...
Oh, I forgot to steal.
I'm on sand operation because we're still today. We're working on this stuff.
I know. Stuff that we started in episode 1.
If this video gets copyrighted, I'm gonna be done. Oh, stupid, that's all. Oh God, sorry. Get into the bed, Claude. I'm scared. My bed is actually, guys. If you guys didn't know, my bed is actually the brown bed. I got brown bed.
Yes, I have a yellow
bed.
bed.
I got a brown bed. I got a brown bed. Sorry. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Nothing.
After we're recording.
Ow, Cole, I think I broke Minecraft. There's water flowing through a leaf. Look, Cole, actually, look. Look at my computer.
I did.
Look at my computer.
I did.
Look.
I did. I did.
How is this happening? Is it a new feature? Because you can play leaf sounds and they just... I broke Minecraft. Cool. Hey, Goldie, you know those tiny houses in like some videos? I know how to do them. So if you guys didn't know, I'm gonna be making a video when I leave this place. I'm gonna make a video on this cool mod. If you guys didn't watch someone else's vlog, it's basically living in a baby house, a tiny house. It was a tiny house. So, we're going to be doing that.
I found another cave.
What do you mean about another cave? Because if you don't know, guys,
Subscribe to Google Play's HGT Gamer.
Taming Gamer has this really cool info, and I have nothing. Golden, go get some coal, all the coal you can find, and all the iron you can find. If you guys didn't know, in the last one, we tamed a beautiful, beautiful panda. Go back. Go back, boy. What happens when you hear Sheila? He gets mad at you. I don't know why he can hear us, but he can. So when you don't click the subscribe button, he's a security guard. That if you don't click the subscribe button, then you're back. Well, you get
You will lose all your diamonds if you don't hit the bell.
I'll give you your Roblox account.
Yes, but with your Roblox
Don't subscribe! Get away, you villagers! You killed so much people, and you! No! I'm attacked! I'm getting attacked! Fleur it! No!
Oh,
Running! Running! Super fast! Super fast! Super fast! Super fast! Super fast! Oh my god, my eyes are closed underwater. I'm gonna get some sand in the water. What? I'm collecting my sand. Well, good luck, Colin. I'm gonna collect some sand in the water. Ow! Ow! No! Oh, why does it take forever to find some sand? Oh, hi, villager. Hi, villager. Hi, would you like that? Get away!
Robert, I have to
What speed level are you on?
What?
What speed level are you on?
What?
What XP level are you on?
What?
What? I'm on 4.
That's how you do it.
Bro! I made another underwater cave! Sister. Take that! Creeper! Along salmon with me. Let's go. Ah! Oh my god, cold, I can't see, I can't see, I can't see. Can't see. I'm not doing this. But I need another underwater cave, Colin. Do I have any blocks with me? I do. Okay, Colin. This is this underwater cave is actually a good underwater cave, but I can't see. So this is our beacon for him. Colin, we made a beacon for this underwater cave you should go to. It's a cobblestone beacon.
Father?
We're talking about Bobby.
Hey,
You mean who plays? TNT. What are you doing? I don't know. TNT Gamer. How about TNT Gamer? You work on the mining. When I'm doing I'm drowning. Okay, well, I have 41 pieces of sand. Let's smelt that. If you guys didn't know, this is what it looks like in the shack. No, Colin, I'm gonna pass you. I'm gonna put, you know that, wait, did you break the unsuspected chest? Or is it still like unspotted chest? The weird chest. Are you gonna break it? Okay. Colin, I'm gonna put my sand in a weird chest. All of the sand, okay, Colin?
nothing.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, yeah,
Okay. In the chest it goes. I'm going for the wood, okay, Colin? I'm gonna go get some more wood. If you guys didn't know, this is just something else. But I don't know. But there's parrots in this forest, right, Colin?
yeah. What?
Okay, guys, I don't know. know why, but I think you can tame a parrot with a seed. Yeah. But we got fun parrots, so I'm gonna keep my seeds on me because just in case I might get a parrot. And because that's just in case you might get a parrot. I take some cookies. You took everything. Good, you're smelting everything, that's great. If you guys didn't know. So I'm gonna go collect. I know, it's not floating. I just need to go, not in golden chest, this chest. Okay, Cody, where's my trident? Lost my trident! Yeah, guys, I found so much tridents. And I lost them. That was a full trident. Hold in. I got arrows. Okay, I'm gonna get my shell. So I don't need my clay. I don't need this. I don't need a stone pickaxe. Big bone. I'm gonna keep the gun so I can pick up. And where's my seeds? I guess. Oh, there's the cocoa beans. I got my cocoa beans, Golden. So when I'm going searching, when I'm going jungle picking, Golden, look at this high tree. If you guys just want to, you guys can just skip through the video if you don't want to see me climb this humongous tree. Oh my god! Why is this tree so I can't get bigger? I'm gonna dig the tree. No! No! Not falling, babies! Ah! Going to the top. Going to the top. No, no, no. No, 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 no. I've done this before. Okay. Okay, Colin. I'm chopping down a little safe platform. Oh. Okay, Colin. I'm getting all the wood in the world. Colin, do you see me? I'm in this big tree by us. You know the big tree that's by us? Well, I'm in it. Colin! I see a parrot, but I don't want to free from my tree. Colin, I am. Parrot! I got some cocoa beans! Would you like it? Would you like it? Colin, did you tame this parrot already? On my screen? What do you want this? You want this? Yeah, he wants it. He wants it. Hey, this guy's already tamed somehow. Oh, there's another parrot. Named Fred. No, it's cocoa beans. Oh, this is beans. Golden, I don't think you're supposed to feed parrots beans. I think you're supposed to feed them seeds. Yeah, I think you're supposed to feed them seeds, not beans. But Colin, I'm a giant. Colin, you look at the tree.
I have seeds.
Okay, Colin, look at the tree. The big, humongous tree. I'm inside of it, just taking all the wood back. I think how much real wood I got is, I got 29 jungle wood and I got stripped jungle wood. A stripped jungle log. There's a stripped jungle log. Oh, you can strip these jungle logs. No, so should we take stripped jungle logs?
Robert, I have seeds I can take the carrot.
Okay, come over here by this zombie and a big tree. Look up and you see my name tag. Oh yeah, you're right there. I see you.
There's a zombie tag.
But Colin, I see you. Look up.
I know, I saw you too.
No, look, I see you. You're jumping. Here, you got inside the shack. I'm inside a big tree. I'm not stripping it though. Da. Now there's so much wood from the outside. Oh, Colin! The parrots and the zombie is just waiting for me to get to the bottom. Sneak attack is gonna come up. You don't want to mess with the robber. You know why? Because you don't want to mess with the robber. Ah! I'm going to take these parrots. I'm not going to kill parrots.
I fed the bird a seed.
Don't you dare! It's my bird. You know what? I'm killing him. Don't feed him seed.
I did.
Okay, you kill that bird. I'm going to kill the bird.
No.
Duh.
Robert, I'll
You
show you.
want it. You want it. Colden, look out. Look at me. Look at my position. I'm gonna kill the thing with my super duper, with my iron sword. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. No. Where's my iron sword? I gotta kill. Stop feeding the chick. What? How you feeding this guy? I'm feeding him beans?
No, seeds.
Which seeds?
The seeds that we get from breaking grass.
I almost have we almost get like a stack for breaking grass. Because Colden, guess what? I got 3 of those seeds.
I already figured 2. So that means I have to take that 2.
No, I got 7.
I got it! Oh.
But guys, I don't want Colden to steal my birds, right? Wait, are we getting the Fred bird? I don't like that bird. He's mean. Come on, birdie. Yeah, you aren't. Hey, Spider, you're messing up my bird funeral. Aww. Oh, come on.
Oh my god.
Colden, I only get Taming one time. He's
Look
my
at
friend.
No. Look at the bird.
Ah, I die, you Colden. I hate you. Go to sleep. Get to bed right now.
I can't even see it.
Hey, Colden, look in the chat.
I know what Look at the bird.
Oh, hi, birdie. Is that my bird? I do. Look, he's sitting down for me.
No,
Don't
Robert,
go
move.
drowning.
Robert, move.
Why?
He goes under his shoulder. Robert,
It's not my shoulder.
you need to move around. Wait, did hearts come up?
Oh. But you can't jump, Cody. You know that. He falls off you.
No. Already.
Oh, yeah. Because I'm gonna go get my stuff, right, Parrot? Parrot. Golden, I can't find my stuff. Ow! Oh my god! Bro, no! You just shot my parrot down! Skeleton shot parrot. Golden. Oh! They're still alive! Fred! Fred's still alive!
The spider?
No!
Like a spider fell down? Same time as the bird? They're like, Fred, he's still alive.
No! Fred! He got shot by a bow! If you guys know that reference, please tell me down below. Fred got shot by a bow! TNT Gamer! Fred got shot down by a bow! Got shot down by a bow.
How do you get a tap on your shoulder?
Well, what? Oh, do I have him on my shoulder? Yeah, I do.
Yes, he does.
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna fight my dinosaur. I'm gonna be cool. I'm gonna come on, birdie. We're going hot. Hey, bruh.
How?
Outie there. No, my birdie. Dude, Colton, you get some sand. I'm gonna kill you.
And you, I don't beat you at 5.
Colton, I
You
almost
know,
have I can almost get full.
Oh my gosh.
I can almost get a. No, Colin, look at my bird when I chop. Like when I chop, he just flies around like crazy.
Oh.
Colin, my bird literally just flies around like crazy. No, look, Colin. Wait, Colin. Aww, Colin. When you crouch, look on your left corner, left top corner. Look at the bird. Do it. Crouch it. Crouch. The left top corner. Oh, Colton, look, my bird's dancing.
Joey, come on, Joey. Joey.
Come on, Silorenda. I keep on jumping. Come on, Cinderella. Okay, we got 4 stacks. Got 4 full stacks. Come on, birdie, birdie. Unsit. Colton, you just have to run into the bird, and you sit on you. Okay, birdie. Today we're gonna be making a lot of wood. Okay? I mean like 500. Okay, birdie. You gonna put that stuff there? Thanks, birdie.
Robert, look at my bird. It's not going crazy. Yeah, it is.
Look at the bin. Hey, Colton, look at how much wood I got. And Birdie's helping me make it. Yeah. Yeah, I collected 4 stacks. Okay, come on, Birdie. We're gonna be placed in the lab.
We would have had 4 before we dropped it.
Colton, I'm making our walls. If you can fill up the middle, that'll be great. Okay, guys. I think this is the end of this video. Bye.